In this presentation, I would like to take a look at installing the Magneto ignition system on your Honda GC series engine. But before we get started, let's go ahead and take a look at the expectations. First off, you're going to install the spark plug by hand. I'll come by and final tighten that as well as sign off. You're going to install the Magneto stud in the correct location, and then the kind of medium collared bolt in the correct location as well. That will be detailed in this installation video. You will also need to install the Magneto in the correct orientation as well. The air gap is about 1 business card thickness worth of paper. And lastly, you will need an instructor signature on the air gap for the Magneto. Let's go ahead and get started. First, we'll install the spark plug by hand. We'll finish tightening about that much. Next, we'll remove these 2 bolts, 1 stud and this guy. We'll go ahead and proceed with the installation. Again, this style Magneto has the tab facing the stop switch. The older style Magneto has the tab facing up. Make sure to put your Magneto in the correct way. You'll notice it also sticks to the flywheel, which can be a little bit of a annoyance here. So let's go ahead and start the bolts carefully. What we're going to do next is we're going to pull on the Magneto and rotate the magnet somewhere else. And that way we can kind of shimmy in this piece of paper here. So it's just a little note card folded over twice. We'll push down on the Magneto, push it into the flywheel, and then we'll go ahead and tighten those bolts. Double check that there are no clearance issues between the magnet and the Magneto. It should be able to make a complete revolution with no rubbing. At that point in time, go ahead and attach the spark plug and the stop switch wire. This has been a look at how to install the Magneto on your Honda GC series engine.